Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Avni Naik and I am so happy you guys clicked on this video because that just means you want to get to know me, right? As the title says. So I'm just going to get into it. First, I would just like to tell you guys why I wanted to shoot this video. I have had my YouTube channel for quite some time now and I thought it would be really amazing if you guys could if you guys was guide if you guys could get to know a little about me. And these are just some basic stuff. Also, I put a ask me anything tag on my Instagram. I did get a few questions, so I will answer them either at the end of the video or in between. I have my phone right here, so I will keep like going through some questions here and there. They are not in the order of priority, and there are just a few questions which I had pre-decided that I will answer. Okay, so let's get into it. By the way, as you guys can see, I'm in a hotel room. I have been traveling, so I thought it would be like a good time to shoot right now. Also, I just got up, so that justifies. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the questions. The first question is, what is your name and how old you are? How old are you? The video has just started and I have made like mistakes already. Okay, so my name is Avni Naik and I am 27 years old. The literal meaning of my name is Anna Vastra Nivara, which is Anna as in food, Vastra as in clothing, and Nivara is basically the surrounding. Anna Vastra Nivara basically in Sanskrit means that Avni is all you need, like as cheesy as that sounds, but these are all the things that you need to live your life. So like I think in 2025 or like throughout the years we have progressed and now we like want more things from life, but initially all you needed was this. So that's the meaning of my name. Then where are you from? So I was born and brought up in Mumbai, and I have moved literally 11 houses till I turned 11. This is a crazy fact about me. So on my every birthday, like till I turned 11, my every birthday was celebrated in like a different house because we moved around a lot. But that was in Mumbai itself, and it was quite fun for me. Not so much for my parents, but quite fun for me because I get to like meet new people every year, and obviously my schooling and all did not change much, so it did not affect me that much. Okay, what do you do? So I work a 9 to 5. No judgment, because I love my 9 to 5. I love the kind of job that I'm doing, and it's fun. I work in retail and I work in marketing. So yeah, initially I was that fun marketing girl, like shooting content and like reaching out to influencers and all of that jazz. But now I'm more of like a Excel sheet marketing girl. Like there was this emoji, I will put it up somewhere here if I find it, but it was like, what kind of a marketing girly are you? Are you like the nail emoji, like the fancy marketing girly, or are you the spreadsheet marketing girly? Okay, let's get into the next set of questions. So 3 words that describe me best. I've actually not really like thought about it. Reading it, and I'm just trying to be like really spontaneous with these questions. Let's see. Wow, it's like childhood trauma all over again. Tell me about yourself. I don't know anything about myself. 3 words that describe me. Um, let's see. It can also be like something negative, right? It doesn't have to be like positive. So I think I am extremely loyal, like in any way. Like if once I like commit to anything, be it work, be it friendship, be it relationships, like anything, like I will commit to it 100%, and there is no way that I'm not loyal in it. So that is one word, loyal. And I think I get really like passionate about things when it comes to like making content, or like just working on something or doing something, and I get really passionate, like I involve myself completely into it. So that is that. And the third word would be creative. I mean, this is very random. I think there are a lot of things that I could have said, but I would really like to go with creative. Okay. What's something people usually get wrong about you? Oh my god, I love this question. So, I even at work, I'll tell you, like I have this face when even when I'm working, my focus face is legit like this. Like I don't know, I just look very angry when I'm focused, and my resting face is also quite rude, and it gives that mean girl energy. And a lot of people have like come to me and said that, like we at first we thought like you are a really rude person, and that happens to me all the time. And once they like talk to me, they're like, oh, you're so sweet. And so I think this is something that people get wrong about me. Are you more introvert, extrovert, or ambivert? I would say ambivert, because I change depending upon the people that are around me. If I have like my people around me, I I walk around and talk around like a crack crazy person. And if I don't know you, like I will literally not talk at all. I will go on this quiet mode throughout. But also I have this thing wherein like my social battery dies out so quickly. Like once I am like out with people and like I have spoken and cracked a few jokes and this and that, and after 1 hour I just go quiet, like complete silence, because then I need to like recharge my social battery. Okay, the next question: what is your comfort food? Let me think about it. My comfort food. My comfort food. I think I'm gonna say Maggie. Maggie is my comfort food. One song you have had on repeat lately. I think Kaide Se from Metro in Dino is something that I really love. And there is also a Marathi song named from the movie Kakan, and the song itself is called Kakan. Also, I forgot to cover this question, but I'm a Maharashtrian. Where are all my like Maharashtrian subscribers? Hi, kashe ahat sage? Okay, what's the next question? What's one habit you're proud of and one you want to change? So one habit I'm really proud of is I really want, until I get something right, I keep like doing it. I don't give up easily. And what I want to change is that I overthink a lot. Like I overthink a lot. Like, yeah, that's that. Like I don't think it's a habit, it's more of like a trait. But yeah. Okay. One song. Okay, this is done. Are you a coffee or a chai person? So I am absolutely a chai person. I love chai. I never say no to chai, like ever. And I think I also drink chai when I'm happy, when I'm like really happy. When I'm really sad, then I need chai. So yeah. Dream travel destination. As cliche as this sounds, I really want to travel to Paris. And it is a very like common answer. I know guys, but I really want to travel to Paris one day. Favorite movie series of all time. So movie, I would say movie. Let me think. I should have gone through these questions once. But which movie do I like? Which movie? Okay, I don't know. I'll think about the movie, but I really like Stranger Things, and I'm also currently obsessing over The Summer I Turned Pretty. Not guilty. So the last episode is yet to come out of The Summer I Turned Pretty, and I really really hope that Belly picks Conrad, okay? Or else I'm just going to lose faith in the concept of love. And favorite movie, I can't really think of anything right now because there are just so many. There are so many. But there is one movie which I have liked. I watched it like a long time ago. It's called Three of Us, and I really like found it very peaceful, calm, and comforting. Okay, now let's move on to some of the questions that I have received from you guys. I had promised that I would keep the anonymity, like I will not reveal the name of the person who's asked these questions. Okay, so one of the question is, you seem to juggle a lot, job, social media, how do you find the energy to do all that? So I think job is something that I have to do, and I also love my job. That is just a part of my life. 9 to 5 is just a part of my life now. Social media is just something that gives me so much happiness. Like even on days when I'm like really tired, I would push myself to get at least a reel or a content piece out, because that just gives me so much joy, you know. Like I can have a peaceful night's sleep when I know that I have put out something on the social media. Even if it's not working, it is just something that I'm doing for myself. So that is how I get the energy to do that. And yeah, I mean, not always am I motivated. There are days when I'm not motivated, but I try that I get out content most of the days. So that's that. And I take my breaks, like I take my time, you know. I go out with my friends for coffee, then I'll just call up a friend, I'll have like a 15-20 minutes conversation, and then that would just like refresh me. So yeah, that's that. Moving on to the next question. Okay, when the actual hell are you gonna watch One Piece? So I am going to be very honest, I have not really completed like even one anime show, because I have commitment issues when it comes to that. I actually started Death Note, but I gave up in between, because that to watch that show you really like need to focus, right? And I would watch like one episode now, and after like 4-5 days I'm watching the second episode, and that just, it broke my link, and then I couldn't complete it. And One Piece, like to finish that show, I need like a lot of time, like a lot of time. So maybe when I don't know, man, I don't know when I'm going to watch it, but I will watch it. Okay, then the next question is, what would be your dream job? So I think, so currently I'm working in retail, which is not connected to fashion or beauty. I don't want to be more specific. So I really miss working in the beauty industry. That is just where I get a lot of ideas, you know, like my brain just keeps like works a lot. So I think I would really like to go back to beauty someday, but definitely like that's not my dream job. My dream job would be to start something of my own. Like I would really love to be an entrepreneur and, you know, do something of my own. It could be something really small, or just help someone start something from scratch, you know. That would just be like a dream come true. Okay, the next question is, kab miloge? I don't know. I don't know how to answer this, but soon. So the next question is, who are you dating? I am not dating anyone. I am enjoying my single life for as long as I can remember. I don't even like, I think I have been single for the longest time in my life, and I'm just happy. I love the freedom. I love that I only have to think about myself and my happiness and all of that. But yeah, I do miss like having a partner. So yeah, maybe, like, you know what, the bottom line is, just send rishtas, okay guys? Like, I'm not dating anyone. I'm single, completely single. Send rishtas. Okay. Then the next question is, how do you manage to carry forward long-term friendships? Okay, I think the key to long-term friendships, the secret to long-term friendships is always being in touch. Like, it doesn't have to be every day. You don't have to text each other every day. You don't have to call each other every day. But just keep checking up on your friend every now and then. Like, just drop a message so they know that you care, right? Like, and it is very important to have catch-ups all the time. If your friend is a long distance friend, just FaceTime each other, just video call, do basic things like go for a walk together, be on FaceTime together, so it feels like you are there for each other, right? Like me and my best friend Pragya, we have been friends since school, I think from 6th grade, and we have had like a time apart, like when she traveled abroad to study, there was a lot of distance, but every time we met it felt like nothing has changed. Like, we tried to keep a lot in touch, so that is just something that works out. So be in touch, guys, like be in touch. I think this is okay. I think that's the end of the video. I really love filming this one. Like, it felt like I was opening up to you guys, and I really enjoyed it. So let's do more of these, and I will try to do more of these sit down kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have watched it so far, if you are someone who is not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That just motivates me to make more videos. Yeah, and I'll try to make more of such videos, and I hope now you have gotten to know me a little bit better. So yeah, cool. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. I'm so happy you guys click on this video. Click